Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Birchbox for March 2020. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here, we should have between 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup samples, sometimes deluxe samples, occasionally full size. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of the box. So I will research all the sample sizes and figure out what the actual value is of the product in the box and put that down there as well, add it all up, find out whether we're getting a good deal or not. If you like these kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for me if you don't mind, and yeah, let's just go ahead and open it up. I just noticed on the mailing label they wrote Happy B-Day, Sarah. Normally they'll have like some weird thing like the Noble Sarah, the Fun Sarah, the whatever Sarah, but this month it's Happy B-Day, Sarah, so that's kind of cute. My birthday is this month, so very nice. Okay, so the box this month looks just like this on the front, and then the bottom looks like that, so very cute. I always like these boxes. I normally save them. I think I need to start recycling them. I just have a collection of boxes that have nothing in them just sitting there. Okay, so we get this little card right here. It will have the full-size values of everything on here. It always has these like advice things or tips as they call them, and they're pretty common sense. Let's see what this month's is. A daily facial massage promotes circulation and skin elasticity. Kind of common sense. Maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like I knew that. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So it says right here, Meet Arrow, a Birchbox exclusive brand, which makes sense now because I've only ever gotten that brand in this box. But I thought it was sold at like Walgreens or something too, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so let's see what's in the box itself. Oh, not a bad box just by first glance. Okay, so I'll pull out this big thing first. So this is Liquid Spell, reinforcing bodifying fluid for sensitized or fine hair. This is from the brand Davines, and I'm pretty sure they are not cruelty-free, if I remember correctly. So yeah, I probably won't be using this until I know for sure. The pump tells me it's going to be like a mousse sort of deal, so not sure if this is something I would use anyway, but we will find out if it's cruelty-free or not. What did I do with the lid? Oh, I just put it on. Wow. Brain fart. There we go. Okay, so the full size of the Liquid Spell is $45. Wow. Yeah, probably wouldn't pay that. Okay, let's get into the next thing. The next thing is from Floss, which is cruelty-free. There's the packaging. Pretty simple. This is my new favorite lip gloss. And I feel like I have this. Yep, I've tried this before. I'm pretty sure I still have it. I think I got it in an Allure beauty box, though, if I remember correctly. I'm trying to think if I still have it around somewhere, or if I got rid of it. Alright, I thought I might still have it around, but I must have decluttered it. I'm not hugely into lip glosses, so I'll probably just go ahead and pass this along as well. Or I'll probably just throw it into a giveaway, honestly. So there's that. The full size, which I'm pretty sure this is full size, is $16, and yes, it does say full size on here, so there's that. Okay, the next thing I have is from Beachwaver Company. This is the Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray. It is cruelty-free, says on the back, so that's exciting. I always use a heat protectant, so I'm excited to get this. I have a ton of heat protectants for damp hair, but I don't blow dry my hair typically, so I need a heat protectant that can go on dry hair, because it's normally when I'm styling my hair with like curling iron or straightener that I use these, so I'm excited to get this. It's interesting that it is an aerosol type, because normally they're just like a regular spray, so definitely interested to give this a try. The full size is $28, so a little expensive, but excited to try this little one. Okay, let's see. The next thing I have is from a brand called IPKN. Not heard of it. This is a BB cream, Moist and Firm BB, Broad Spectrum 45. It seems to be a K-beauty sort of deal, which It's so hard for me to find out if those brands are cruelty free. I'm not gonna open it. It does have a safety seal. It's going to explode if I open it, especially in this Birchbox. I don't know, everything like explodes. It does say light on there. I'm typically not light. I'm more medium light or medium. So yeah, I don't know if this color is good for me, but I would definitely have to research if they're cruelty free as well. The full size is $29, so I don't know. It's kind of expensive for a BB cream, in my opinion. So anyways, got this little one. Okay, the next thing I have is from Arrow. This is the Radiant Skin Moisturizer. Arrow is cruelty free, and as we know now, a Birchbox created item, I guess. It's just this moisturizer. I don't know if it's for your face or... So yeah, it's a face moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and aloe. So seems like it'll be good. This has a safety seal. It's going to explode. This box especially. And of course I say that and literally nothing happened. So wow. Okay, let's go ahead and put a little bit on my hand. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh, it has a little bit of a scent, like the aloe, I think is what I'm smelling. It feels like in between a heavy cream and like a more watery sort of lotion, so it feels okay. Definitely something I will use. I can use this up fairly quickly. So the full size is $24. So again, I don't know. I mean, I guess it's more mid-range pricing, but yeah. Okay, and the last thing I'm pulling out is from Wander Beauty, which is cruelty free. It looks to be some sort of like blush sort of deal. This is the Double Date Lip and Cheek. Oh, interesting. I thought it was like powder, but I think it's a cream. There it is right there. It's a pretty color. I definitely like that color. So it's definitely like more sheer, which is good if you're going to be putting it on your face. Go ahead and do a swatch, I guess. You can see it's like very light. I'm not going to put it on my face because I have powder on, but I can go ahead and put it on my lip. I already do have some lip stuff on, so. That's pretty. Very light. Feels nice on my lips. I definitely would use this more on my lips than my cheeks. I tend to not love like liquid highlight, liquid blush, that sort of thing. So, but maybe in the summer it would be a good thing when you're not wearing as much powder. So yeah, got that. Okay, and the full size of the Wander Beauty Lip and Cheek is $22. So, you know, again, mid-range pricing. So that is everything I got in this month's Birchbox. It is a pretty decent box. I got, let's see, 2 hair products, 3 makeup products, and 1 like skincare. So not bad overall. I think my favorite is the Wander Beauty thing and probably the hair protectant. So I would love to know what your thoughts are in the comments right down there. So if you like this box, let me know. If you hate this box, let me know. I love to hear what everybody else thinks of these boxes. And yeah, that's all I have for today's video. Don't forget, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more unboxings, all that good stuff, subscribe for me right down there. And I will see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye.